Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the EnergyWeb token. Ticker symbol is EWT. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this project here. So you can find their Explorer at explorer.energyweb.org. It says they have 5.3 second block time. They've had over 72.4 million total transactions, over 29.3 million total blocks, and over 149,000 wallet addresses. Now, ticker symbol here is EWT. And it says EnergyWeb ecosystem is collaborating with the world's largest enterprises, focusing on accelerating the energy transition. Our enterprise-grade solutions enhance coordination across complex energy markets, unlocking the full potential of clean distributed energy resources for businesses, grid operations, and customers. Total supply, 100 million EWT. And this coin here is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 8th at 9 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search EWT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says accelerating the energy transition with open source decentralized technology. The way we produce, use, and manage energy is changing for the better. Every day, new clean energy technologies are being adopted at an unprecedented rate, giving everyone from local communities to the world's largest companies access to abundant, affordable energy. In aggregate, the global energy transition is the single most important climate solution and a multi-trillion-dollar business opportunity. So it says, but change is hard, especially for an industry as old, large, and as complicated as the energy sector. For over a century, energy companies have relied on centralized planning and control from the top down. As energy systems become more diverse and dynamic than ever before, companies need to enable coordination and orchestration from the bottom up. Unfortunately, they lack the tools to undergo this paradigm shift. Today, decarbonization and innovation are hindered by fragmented, inefficient digital tools that were designed for a different era. At EnergyWeb, our mission is to make the energy transition successful by developing open source, decentralized software that helps energy companies speak a common language and work from a shared source of truth. WEBX is a new technology that will enable us to do so at an enterprise scale, thanks to over 5 years of experience developing digital solutions in dozens of major energy companies from over 25 countries. EnergyWeb has a much clearer understanding of the problems decentralized technologies can solve, and how it creates real business value and how it brings it to the market. So using proof of good work to accelerate the energy transition. Before diving into what EnergyWebX is and how it works, it's important to understand how EnergyWeb's technology stack has evolved in order to solve emerging challenges in the global energy transition. Today, EnergyWeb is narrowly focused on accelerating decarbonization in two specific areas where the EnergyWeb technology stack has been the strongest business case. The first is helping electric utilities digitize and integrate distributed energy resources. Example, rooftop solar systems, batteries, electric vehicles charging stations, and heat pumps to the grid. The second is bringing deep levels of transparency and verifiability to emerging green product supply chains, including but not limited to 24/7 matched renewable electricity, sustainable aviation fuel, and sustainable produced Bitcoin. So the solutions applies to these areas dubbed data exchange, green proofs, and asset management are powered by new technology that can unlock significant business value for energy enterprises, worker node networks. Each worker node network is a decentralized group of computers that jointly execute sensitive business processes that involve or impact multiple companies. Worker nodes establish consensus about the results of a business process, but they are not blockchains, whereas the work performed by traditional blockchain miners or validators, validating and sealing blocks, has limited value for energy enterprises. Worker node networks are fine-tuned to execute custom logic that is specific to an actual business problem. Based on the EnergyWeb experience, worker node networks are only useful in cases where multiple businesses need the capability to transmit complex data sets amongst three or more parties in a way that does not reveal all data to all parties and or the capability to provide public verification of outputs while maintaining privacy and integrity of outputs. So the global energy system has many situations where these needs exist. To date, EnergyWeb has deployed worker nodes for several use cases. So they are powering solutions for 24/7 matched renewables and green electric vehicle charging, coordinating dispatch of distributed energy resources, supporting decentralized registries for distributed energy resources, launching registries for clean commodities like sustainable aviation fuel and sustainably produced Bitcoin. So you can read more about this on their white paper. It's a very in-depth white paper, 22 pages of tiny print that you could go over if you want to learn more. You can find it on their webpage, energyweb.org. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project at EnergyWebX. They have a lot of Twitter followers, 74.5 thousand Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, and over 3,000 tweets. So it's a very well-established project, and they're getting this brand new big central exchange listing on MEXC Global. So check that out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.